Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my spinrewriter 11 version 11 review. In this video, I'm going to show what is exactly spinrewriter version 11, because in this video you will show the version 10 how it works. This is also have a live demo inside in this on his sales page, but the version 11 will be go live about 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is just a few hours later, and you will go to see the live how this works well. So what is exactly the spinrewriter? If you have no idea what this is, also has to create some article for your blog. If you have a blog or a website, you have a struggling how to write an article. And if you are not an English speaker like me, or this as your English speaker like me, this is not my native language. Or if you are also a native speaker, but you are not comfortable and easiest to write a very high converting article, English article. What you can do, you can simply to buy to hire someone to write it for you. You can in some freelance website like I don't know if I know one of the websites is my iWriter, Upwork and freelancer. They also have some writer to write the article for you. It depends on your budget and also on the quality of the writer. This is also depends on different price. If you are just outsource your blog writer to write every article, you will spend much more money, because if you have more content, if you want to go SEO ranking for more easily for you, you will have the number of words at least about 1,000. If you about outsource it 1,000 sugar, you will charge at least over $10 per article. I'm not exactly remember the price. At least $10 per article for at least 1,000 words. So what is the spinrewriter? Spinrewriter can generate use of a very high high technical article spinrewriter to create another unique article for your blog. So it is very powerful, and you can see many other article writer on the market, but it is also a very powerful, and this is the most powerful and well branded spinrewriter on the market. So in this sales page, I will put the link inside for my in the description below. So if you are a blog writer and want to create more blog article for you, and you don't have to spend too much money, if you are interested in this product, please stay with me. And also you can simply click the link below, and you will go to this my bonus page. And also I also will include the sales page for your reference. And also I have some exclusive bonus. Don't forget and to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, and this is also in this sales page, and you will see the demo, and you can watch an hour create 500 unique human quality article in just 45 seconds, and with article spinrewriter. It is also very awesome and powerful. So this also I have some exclusive before I to oversee what is my sales page. I also have some exclusive bonus for this particular offer to help you to boost your result. So let's take a look at what I have exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1, you have and also software because content sprinter. You can what is the function for you? Compares two articles side by side, show you exactly what parts of text are typically display the keyword density, save your time and effort when rewriting article. Bonus number 2, you will get a article header just put in in progress and complete the article in one spot and organize them by word, color, title, and reach a basic text editor that allow you to work on article and come back to them and never losing track of anything. Bonus number 3, you will get this book is called article into video. It's also about an introduction, article marketing, video marketing, integrating article and video marketing, and also the PowerPoint for video. Bonus of all, you will get another ebook is about 30 minutes keyword. It is also how to simplify your keyword research, how to determine what keywords to use within your affiliate campaign, what you need to know about long tail US and short tail keywords, quick and easy keyword research strategy. Bonus number 5, you will get another ebook about the content marketing strategy. The advanced content marketing is also about how to work strengthen your brand noise and personality. It's also in advanced content marketing. Bonus number 6 is the ultimate link banking. This is also about very basic. What is link banking? Importance, search engine, 10 ways to build your backlink. What's the difference between 3 categories? White hat SEO, black hat SEO, green SEO, how to avoid being slammed by Google update, creative link banking to technology, and much more. You can see with this guide. Bonus number 7, you will have a video course how to grow your brand in 13 days content marketing. Bonus number 8, you will get another social media marketing tool. This is also a complete guide to social media marketing domination. This is a practical approach for every for a digital marketer is how to make use of social media to promote your blog. This is also a free of charge, don't have to pay anything. And also you will get and also you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. All my exclusive bonus, because if you have followed me for a while, or I have upload daily and product launch, and most of them is come from my Warrior Pasta and JV. They also have allowed me to put my bonus inside their platform. But this is not not the platform. They have a separate and market. They have a separate affiliate marketplace. So if you apply purchase, if you watch my video and purchase through my link, so what you can do, you can contact me and I will have some more information in the description. And when you purchase this spinrewriter 11, and then you will email me with nick101234@gmail. And all my when I receive when you inform me on Facebook, and also you will email your receipt to my email, and I will deliver all my exclusive bonus for you within 24 to 48 hours. And I hope you know how to deliver your look. So let's take a look. I saw within the bonus page, I also have two also included two and video demo video for you to go through what is inside the members area. This is a bit better. You can not how to do that. Because this is the bonus. This is the demo video. Spinrewriter 11. How to go through what you how to get started with this Spinrewriter. And the second video you will have because this is not go live, and also you have watch this spin piece side by side feature demo video or Spinrewriter 11, because the 11 have some very exclusive feature access to based on Spinrewriter version 10. This is also you must watch this new feature for Spinrewriter with on my bonus page. So let's take a look. What is the Spinrewriter? Spinrewriter is also very awesome. You can see the sales page. This is also I will go because the sales page is very so long. You can see it for the sale. You can see them over 30,900 unique visitors in just 3 months from scratch. This is also very powerful. This is also you can go through for it. So this is also they will go through, but this is also the sales page are so long you can go through for it. So Lastly, I want to if you really want to know how to do that, you can watch the demo video and on my bonus page you will have a walk through everything inside the software. Lastly, simply click the link below and you will go to my bonus page. If you purchase my bonus page and you will get all my exclusive bonus. Bonus number 1 is on front end is just for $47, $497 lifetime, but highly recommend you can grab $77 for 5-day trial. You can try it for 5 days. If you are not satisfied, you can cancel anytime. Upsell number 1 is only for upsell. Upsell number 1 gold membership $37. This is just for one-time payment. This is for life, very possible. What you will get they will provide you a SIM article, unlimited V8 virtual assistant account. You will get the ISO or Android the mobile app. You will get faster server. You will get priority custom support. Upsell number 2 is WordPress license $37. It is also just one-time payment. You will get 2 related benefits. Benefit one is you will get WordPress plugin will automatically keep your website full or unique content all time. And also you will remove posting feature that you anytime you post your script to your website directly within the spinrewriter. It is a one-time payment. Upsell number 3 is done rankings done wider. This is also SEO package. This is also recorded at $47. Is also done for you the service with monthly fee because we are monthly figure. You will take care of SEO for your blog. $47 you will have one SEO large package. If you have a downside with one small package, and also you have if you have more additional website, it is not single website. They also have offer $20 per month additional website for this done for you the SEO service. What is the benefit you will have? You will benefit. This is also an algorithm. We will update every year. Advanced feature. ENC semantics analysis for article spinrewriting. Due to incorporate your WordPress, it's a very affordable price. It's just $77 per year, and you can see and under $10 per month. This is on no-brainer. If you outsource for everybody, outsource the blog article, at least $10 for this article. User friendly. This is very useful. Very user friendly. So lastly, I will recap what my exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1, you will get a software content screenwriter. Bonus number 2 is another software article helper. Bonus number 2 is another ebook article into video. Bonus number 4 is a 30 minutes keyword guide. Bonus number 5 you will content marketing strategy. This ebook. Bonus number 6 you will ultimate link banking and link building. Bonus number 5 you will get another course with 30 days content marketing strategy. Bonus social media marketing tool. This is also how to drive traffic. This is critical approach for every digital marketer. So you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer because this is also has 6-day launch. You will get all my exclusive bonus within this countdown timer, and you will if you purchase this spinrewriter 11, you will contact me on Facebook and also email with your receipt nick101234@gmail.com and all my exclusive bonus will be delivered by email within 24 or 40 to 48 hours. So I hope you will help them to save more money if you have a blog. And don't forget, take your friends for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope I will have more daily content launch review for you to see them. And hope you like this. And I see you later.